Hello guys, welcome back to the Cloud Nuggets. This is Vignesh. In the previous video, we have learned what is cloud computing and also the top 5 cloud service providers in the market. If you have not watched, please click the link below in the description and learn the basics of cloud computing. Today, we are going to learn about AWS, the leading cloud service provider in the market. Let's look at the agenda here. We will start the session by first discussing what is AWS and then move on to discuss the advantages of AWS, features of AWS. We'll have a look at the architecture before and after AWS, and finally we will end the session with a demo of how to sign up AWS free tier account. Let's get started. Everyone is talking about AWS. Let's have a look at what is AWS. Amazon Web Service AWS is a subsidiary of Amazon.com that provides on-demand cloud computing platforms and APIs to individuals, companies and governments on a metered pay-as-you-use pricing model. AWS business focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming and artificial intelligence. It is considered one of the Big 4 tech companies along with Google, Apple and Microsoft. AWS provides all types of cloud service models like IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. If you want to know what is IaaS, PaaS and SaaS, please watch my previous video about the introduction of cloud computing. The link for the video is attached to the description below. Let's move on to discuss the advantages of AWS. Scalable. Using AWS tools and auto-scaling and elastic load balancing, your application can up or down based on demand with just a few mouse clicks or can be automated. Secure. AWS utilizes an end-to-end approach to secure and harden our infrastructure, including physical, operational and software measures. Easy to use. AWS is designed to allow application providers, ISVs and vendors to quickly and securely host your application, whether an existing application or new SaaS-based application. You can use AWS Management Console or well-documented web service APIs to access AWS application hosting platform. Cost effective. You pay only for the compute power, storage and other resources you use with no long-term contracts or upfront commitments. Reliable. With AWS, you take advantages of scalable, reliable and secure global computing infrastructure. Flexible. AWS enables you to select the operating system, programming language, web application platform, database and other services you need. With AWS, you receive a virtual environment that lets you load the software and services your application requires. Now we know what is AWS and advantages of AWS. Let's see what are the featured services of AWS. In this session, we will just oversee the services of AWS, and in the upcoming session, we'll learn the features in detail one by one. Compute is nothing but virtual machines with common server components like CPUs and RAM. Database. Amazon makes the database easy to set up, operate and scale a relational database in the cloud. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity while automating time-consuming administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching and backups. Storage. Storage is the process through which digital data is saved within a data storage device by means of computing technology. AWS provides various types of unlimited storage in the cloud, and the charge is based on per GB. Security. Using AWS, you will gain the control and confidence you need to securely run your business with most flexible and secure cloud computing environment. Available today. AWS provides various services to strengthen the security of your application. Management. With AWS Management and Governance Service, customers don't have to choose between innovation and control. They have both. With AWS, customer can enable provision and operate their environment for both business agility and governance control. Machine learning. Amazon Machine Learning is a service that allows to develop predictive applications by using algorithms, mathematical models based on the user data. Internet of Things. Amazon IoT provides secure bidirectional communication between the internet connected device such as sensors, embedded microcontrollers or smart appliances and the AWS cloud. These are the featured services of AWS. Each service in this has various sub-services. We will learn in detail from the upcoming sessions. Now we'll move on to the architecture before AWS. Let's take an example. A company wants to launch an CRM for the employees to work effectively. As an IT manager, you need to survey for the servers with the requirement given by the development team. Then you need to get the quotation, approval, and finally you will get the servers after a week or a month. At the same time, you need to look for a firewall, router, switches and LAN cables. If the application needs internet, then you need to get an ISP. Not finished. Still, you need to look for the storage options, DR, backup methods and so on. It takes few months and challenges to make the application up and running. Let's say after few months the company has grown and the number of employees doubled. Then you need to buy the additional servers to get the application running faster. You need lot of space for racks, physical security and maintenance. It increases cost of the company and time taken. Let's see the architecture after AWS. With just few clicks, you can sign up the account and up the servers with an application in minutes. Other things like setting up load balancer, firewall, routing, storage are made easy with the management console. If the company has grown and the employees doubled, then you can implement an auto-scaling group to increase the server based on the utilization. Even you can launch the application in multiple geographic locations. DRs and backups are made simple and easy as your choice. Now we have came to the end of the session with a small demo of how to create an AWS free tier account. Let's see the prerequisite. You need to have a browser, a valid email address, a password, address with country, street, city, state and postal code, and a valid phone number. A verification code activation is required. You need to have a credit card. Let's get into the browser. In the browser, go to the address bar and type aws.amazon.com. Then you will have this page. Then click on the create free tier account. Now fill in this email address, password, confirm password and account name. Once you fill the form, then you will reach the contact information page. Here you need to choose the account type, whether it's a professional or personal. For me it is personal, so I am choosing personal. Then please enter the full name, phone number, country, address, city, state and postal code, and then click on this checkbox to agree the terms of AWS customer agreement. You can also read the customer agreement by clicking on this link. Once you filled this form, click on the create account and continue. After that, you will come to this page. Here you need to enter the payment information, your credit card number, expiry date, cardholder's name and choose the billing address. And click on verify and add. After clicking verify and add, you will be redirected to the bank's payment website where you need to enter the OTP sent to your mobile phone number. After that, you will come to the confirm your identity page. Here you need to enter your phone number and security check to verify your phone number. After that, you will get this verification pop-up to enter the OTP that is sent to your mobile phone number. Enter the OTP here and then click on verify code. You will receive a success message after you click on the verify code. Click on the continue button. You will be redirected to a select a support plan. In AWS, there are 3 types of support plan: basic plan, developer plan and business plan. We will learn in detail about this plan in the future video. After selecting the basic plan, you will be redirected to choose your personalized interest by role and I'm interested in. Choose the role and then choose I'm interested in and then click on the submit button. Now you have successfully created your AWS account. In the next session, we will learn how to log in, verify and set up the account. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video.